So this is Areli.ai. It's a tool I built to help software teams move faster by automating junior dev work. Areli.ai reads tickets from project tools like Jira, where it writes the code for you. Then it pushes it up to GitHub via a PR, where it's then ready for a senior dev or a tech lead to review. So who's it for? Areli.ai is for teams that have a strong senior or two, but no time or budget to grow the junior dev bench. It's for PMs to use it to keep things moving. It's for senior devs to use it to skip the repetitive stuff or junior level things that they need to do. And for founders or VCs, it's a way to ship more without hiring more. Who's it not for? Areli.ai isn't a tool that replaces your dev team. It is not some auto-deploy AI black box. Areli.ai doesn't deploy anything automatically like other tools out there, and it doesn't push directly to your trunk or main branches. Everything is in a pull request. A senior still reviews it before anything gets merged into your code, just like it should be. All right, so let's dive into a quick demo. I've already have Areli loaded here. I've logged in. I have no projects. I've also bought a few credits. And before I actually create a new project, let's go ahead and look at our GitHub repo. Here we have no PRs for our repo, our backend repo, just because I haven't run Areli. And in our Jira project, I've created a few tickets here, mostly for the backend. So let's go to our dashboard and create a new project. So let's go with Areli.ai backend project. Let's add in our OpenAI key. Let's also put in our base. Let's put in our Jira token. Email. Project. Our access key and our username. And let's create it. And as I'm adding all these keys in there, you're probably wondering, am I storing them securely? Yes, I am. Everything that's been typed in has been encrypted. There is no plain text tokens, settings of any kind in the database. Everything is encrypted. So now that I have the project, I pulled in all the tickets. So let's go ahead and view them. Here we have the ticket, the Jira ticket number or ID, the title, the statuses, and a simple button to kick it off. And let's go with something simple, something that I've been looking or meaning to do. I want to add in, here it is, project login or logging, just for better debugging. So let's go ahead and kick that off. That's going to take a few minutes, tops about 3-4 minutes. So that as it goes, I'm going to pause the video and come back after it's done. Okay, so we're back 3 minutes later. Let's see the progress, and we see that it's completed. We can click here to view the PR, or we can click here to rerun it if we don't think the code was adequate. So let's go see the PR. I'm gonna click here. It's gonna take me to the repo, the title, the description. That's all being generated by the LLM that I created. That is also taking the description of the Jira ticket, assessing what it needs to do, and then in this case, modifying the current post-create process endpoint that I have. And the Jira ticket essentially asks to use for now console log statements to put in meaningful logging when it starts, and then different steps along the way. So that looks about right. I mean, I'm happy with it. And this is generally what the process would look like. This is what the workflow would look like. A PR gets created. A senior dev, in this case me at the moment, is reviewing this PR and says, all right, awesome, looks good. Let's go ahead and merge this. So finally, if you're tired of your senior devs getting stuck on junior level tasks or mid-level tasks, or if you just don't have the funds to hire more junior level or mid-level engineers, try Areli.ai. It's simple to sign up, create projects, and hook up. Thanks.